Hey, just wanted to give a quick vlog here to show the holiday present I received from id Software. You guys have said that you really like these videos in the past, so and I think the company likes it if I say that they sent me nice stuff and I appreciated it. So this is from the Cupcake Bar, which definitely gets me a little concerned because I am vegan, so I would worry about that. What does it say? Charcuterie board, can't eat that. Gather, feast, enjoy, curate. All right, looks like there's a bunch of cheeses and crackers here. And honey and meat. Okay. Well, I don't know if I could eat any of this, but I'm really happy they gave it to me. It looks very, very fancy. Oh, and there's all this little stuff that's falling around. This is some olive oil and sea salt crackers. Nice. A summer sausage. Very cool. It is not big on the swag. Oh, what is this? What is this? Some random, like, little fake berries? I don't know what it is, but I like it. It's festive. And what could this be? The cheese board. So this is explaining the cheese board and care. Okay, did they buy me a cheese board? Is that what it is? Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's some sort of cheese board engraved with the word id. This is awesome. Wow, let me see if I can open it up somehow. I'm just holding it with my hand, so having a little trouble here. Okay, I don't got a GoPro or anything like that. Oh, and something fell out. Oh, look at that. Okay. So it's got a bunch of like knives and cool things like that inside. Isn't that awesome? So it looks like it's some sort of charcuterie set. This is great. All right, let me take these things out. This is really awesome. If we ever do, like, we sometimes at parties, me and my girlfriend will put out like grapes and stuff, and she doesn't like cheese, and I can't eat cheese, so it's tough. But this will go next to our other 5 cutting boards. Yeah, we're a little bit crazy with the cutting boards in the house, but I love that. That's really, really nice. I love that it's engraved with the id Software too. I'm actually a pretty big fan of the logo. I think it's really, really pretty to look at. Designed and curated by the Cupcake Bar. Okay, so, when I read that, I was like thinking, oh, I'm going to get some cupcakes. Surprise, they actually do cheese. So here it is, the Cheddar Cheese Bar. Look at that big guy. All right, the cheddar cheese. And is there anything else in here? I feel like I'm like digging for gold in this thing. Oh, there's something else. Oh, is that just some paper? I don't want to overlook anything if I miss something, but I think that's got to be it, right? Oh, I'm making a mess. All right, I'm gonna guess that's everything. Is there any? Yeah. Okay. All right. So that's it. Okay. All right. I'll clean up the little mess I made here. I made a mess. All right. So that is it. I got a cheese board for Christmas. That is a really cool gift. I like it. I think the tech companies in general are known for just giving you... Here, let me switch to my face. Can you see me in this thing? Is this working? Tech companies in general are known for giving out lots of shirts. Like shirts, and it's just shirts, right? It's never pants. And the issue is that eventually, if you're working at these tech companies or, going to the career fairs back in college, you just wind up getting all of your shirts are like all just corporate propaganda swag, And what I actually appreciated about the last company I worked at, Raven, was they were on the clothes game, right? It was always clothing, but they would always try to mix up what kind of clothing they gave you. And I think my boss had said something to me like 1 year they actually gave us sweatpants, and that finally completed the set. So we had the Raven shirt, the Raven pants, the Raven socks, the Raven hat. They gave us a really cool Ushanka. I don't know if I have it in my room, but that was nice because they actually did vary it up. But I don't see it. It must be in my parents' house. But that's actually something I've really appreciated because I love it when if a company's going to give you a gift, which is of course always nice if they do. If you don't get swag, you get something I love gifts with utility. For me, that's my favorite kind of gift. So if it's something that I feel like I could, like, if it, yeah, like for example, someone was talking about how they just did a movie with Clint Eastwood, and well, not recently, but when they did a movie with Clint Eastwood, the wrap gift, which is a similar kind of thing, when you wrap up a project on a movie, they might give a gift to, like, you know, the cast and crew or something like that, and the wrap gift was like a bedroll that you could use for camping and stuff like that, which is very in theme with the Clint Eastwood brand, I would say. And oh, you know, I guess what's the what's the theme of id, right? Like the id brand is obviously recently known for Doom, and Doom's whole thing is like what is it? Something tear, rip and tear, right? So maybe it actually is very thematically appropriate to get a set of nice cheese knives so you can rip and tear into that cheese. I don't know. That's just for what I'm thinking of. But all in all, awesome gift. I'm gonna go check out the sausage and the cheese, and check that out as well. So that's about it for me. Sorry, I haven't been uploading as much as I would like to on the channel. It's mostly just because I haven't wanted to. I'm really thinking about, you know, getting into TikTok at some point. I love what's going on TikTok. I've been using it to follow some creators, but I've just kind of I've had a bit of a hard time figuring out how I'm gonna edit my content in order to work in the TikTok format, because a lot of the videos I make are, you know, like this, kind of off the cuff, kind of long form, I'd say, oftentimes very educational, teaching people how to apply to jobs and do game industry stuff. So that's just to give you a little inside baseball. That's something I've been thinking about recently, is sort of how I might adapt some of my videos to that format. So maybe this one could be the first one. Maybe I'll try to make this into a TikTok. We'll see. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Let me know what you're up to in the holidays in the comment section, and like this video if you had a good time. Subscribe for more. I'll catch you later. Bye.